this video, I am explaining the Lambertian radiation or emission pattern and the Lambertian order. Imagine a light source, like an LED, that spreads light evenly in all directions within a space, such as a room. Now, picture a person or a light-collecting receiver placed directly below the LED. This means there is a straight line, or 0-degree angle, between the LED and the receiver. At this position, the LED and the receiver receive the maximum light intensity, assuming nothing blocks the light. But when the receiver moves away from the 0-degree angle, in any direction, it forms a different angle with the LED. At this new angle, the irradiance angle of the LED and intensity of light at the receiver change. This means the light intensity depends on the angle between the light source and the receiver position. It is critical to understand the difference, like Lambertian pattern means that the light emits from the LED source, such that its radiance or brightness per unit area per unit solid angle is constant when viewed from all angle. Like when we look at the surface from different directions, the luminance across the room looks the same. But, the received intensity at the receiver depends on the angle between the LED surface normal and the direction toward the receiver. Though brightness is constant, but actually the amount of light received by a receiver at its surface facing that LED emitter, critically depends on the angle between the LED's normal and the line to the receiver. So, the intensity of light, in our case LED light, follows the Lambert's cosine law, meaning the radiant intensity is proportional to cosine angle, wherein angle calculates between the LED surface normal and observed receiver direction. A light source with this property, where the emitted intensity varies with the cosine of the angle from the central axis, is called a Lambertian emitter or Lambertian emission. So, in simple terms, the light intensity is highest directly below the LED and decreases gradually as the receiver moves to the side. This directional decrease in intensity is a key characteristic of the Lambertian emission pattern. Now, let's discuss what is Lambertian order. The Lambertian order is a number that tells us how focused or wide the light beam is in the Lambertian pattern. For example, a low Lambertian order, like m is equal to 1, means the light spreads out widely, more like a soft and equally dispersed glow. And the high Lambertian order mean the light is more focused in a particular direction, and like a narrow beam. In this way, we can modify the design of the LED radiation pattern as per our requirements. Mathematically, we define Lambertian order with small m. That's all, folks, for today. I'll be back soon with another interesting topic. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.